Bonjour and bienvenue, welcome to this, another episode of La Vie Franglais. I'm sorry that I said it wrong in my last video, La Vie Anglais. But today should be a lot more professional. La Vie Franglais is not just about us moving to France, it's also about the French culture. So today I thought that I would share with you a recipe. We're going to be making chicken in white wine sauce. The reason I chose this recipe is because it uses a roux. This recipe is super simple and here are the ingredients. It's looking a little empty. That's better, Lisa loves it when I use everything.
Non, c'est beaucoup trop.
C'est trop? These are all the ingredients. These are all the quantities, but if you need them, they're down in the description. So those are all the ingredients that you need, I've got them here. I'm also using a cast iron dish, however you can use any old frying pan, it really doesn't matter. If you're cooking with wine, you should also be drinking wine. Isn't that right, Keith? Ooh. The first step is to cook the chicken. Add a knob of butter over a medium-high heat and add the chicken until golden brown. I'm going to add a little salt and pepper. Oh, I know what I forgot. That's better. When the chicken's cooked through, you can add the broccoli and then fry for a further 2 minutes. You don't need to steam or pre-boil the broccoli beforehand, it will cook through. Once the chicken and broccoli is cooked through, you can set it aside. That's the first bit over, that deserves a glass of wine. Okay, so now that the chicken is cooked, we can start making the roux. Now, a roux is really important in this recipe and it will help thicken the sauce. What you need to do is you take your butter and melt it all the way through. Once it's melted, you want to add the flour and whisk thoroughly. You want to cook the roux until it's golden brown. When you're happy with your roux, you need to add the stock slowly. Don't add it all at once because it will go lumpy. Just add a bit at a time. Once you've incorporated all of the stock, simmer over a medium heat and stir occasionally. You should do this for about 10 minutes. As time goes on, the sauce will start to thicken. If it gets a bit too thick, you can always add a little bit more water. So, after 10 minutes, your sauce should be thicker. It's time to add some wine, if you have any left. Pour it in gently and whisk together. Simmer and let it thicken for another 10 minutes. Whilst you do that, help yourself to another glass of wine. No more wine. No more wine. Lisson, on est à plus de vin.
Il y a de la bière dans le frigo.
Dans le frigo? Ah oui. Once it has thickened. Once it has thickened, add the cream and the lemon juice. Once you've mixed it, then you can reintroduce the chicken and the broccoli. Stir until all the chickpea and broccoli is covered, like a cozy blanket.
You said the chickpea and the broccoli.
Add some salt and some pepper. And a sprinkling of parsley. Voila! Poulet avec la sauce au vin blanc. Serve with rice and a fresh baguette. This video was great fun to film and I really enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed it, please subscribe and like and support the channel. Share it wherever you can. I would love for people to try and cook this dish at home. If you have made it, please share it on social media with the hashtag #CuisineFranglais. That's it for this week. Thank you so much for watching. Au revoir. You understand me, Keith, don't you? Cheers.